Hey guys, we have a special unboxing. We got some amazing gifts, I believe. They're for you, Mr. Hudson. This is from our wonderful channel supporter, Angela Baldwin from the Bronx. That's where I'm from. So, I got the dangerous scissors out of the way. Huts.
Nose in the back.
What do you think?
He's in the back. There he goes.
Oh my God. Huts. What is it? What? Wait, what's this? Oh, another collapsible bowl. Wait, this is amazing because look, it's got Velcro.
Oh, you just.
Wait a minute. Oh, hold on. Sit. I'm gonna get the dangerous scissors. I put them out of harm's way, but I'm gonna grab them so I can get them. Okay, Huts, come here.
Here he is. Oh, careful.
I know.
Oh, it has a clip.
It has a clip.
Carabiner.
But then, wait a minute.
Oh.
It's got a lot of things. Oh, look at this.
Oh, look, it folds right into a bowl.
Exactly. This is great. You know what? This would be great to use for his food when we're traveling.
Oh, that too.
Because we have the waterproofy one and that collapses, but this can be great for food too.
Also, yeah.
See, fold up or chow down. 6-cup capacity. Plenty of kibble for Hudson.
He's
Now,
like,
I know
no
that you
food, though.
saw other things in here.
Yeah, he saw. It's going in.
You want to take it out? You want to take what's in there out?
Look, he's getting it. He's helping himself.
Go ahead. You want me to help you?
He's like, help me.
Help me, Mom.
Oh.
It's a mouse.
Look at it. It's a
Look at
mouse.
the
Look
little
at the tail. Wait. Look at the mouse tail. Oh, he loves nipples.
Oh, he loves it. Oh, my God. Angela.
Oh, man.
Wait, I want to read what it says. An active pet is a happy pet. Top paw play toy. So let's cut this off because we're definitely going to go down the hall and play with this. But first, look, each little segment of the body has a separate squeaker.
How many squeakers? Like 8 squeakers.
Oh my God.
Look, he loves
it. It says multiple squeakers. Yes, we discovered that already. Hold on, Hudson. Wait, be careful.
Hudson's nibbling. He's exploring it.
He's exploring it. Okay, there you go.
Wait. He's like, give me back my toy.
Now wait, there's a card.
Okay.
I didn't even get to read the card yet. We kind of went out of order.
Yeah, Hudson's.
So, here we go. Let Hudson little nibble on his little mouse toy. Here we are. Sit, stay, heal. Heal because of Hudson's little... Oh, and it's doing better, Angela. Look, I want to show everyone.
Oh, yeah.
See, it's doing better.
Way better.
Way better. So let's read the card, okay, Huds? Sit, stay, heal. Oh, he's on the table already. Okay. Fine. Sit on the table with me. Why not? Dear Karla, James, and Hudson, I want to give Hudson this card to wish him well on his ear. I'm so happy, Hudson. You are recovering very well. Get well soon. I watch you and your parents on YouTube whenever I get the chance, which is most of the time. Hudson, you're so sweet, and this is why I'm giving you these gifts. I hope you enjoy it because you deserve it. Love, Angela. And Onyx, her cat.
Oh, Onyx.
Hudson, this is from Angela and Onyx, the cat.
Beautiful.
He says thank you. So wait, there's something else for Hudson. Oh, what's this, Hudson?
Oh, look at those.
I'm going to get it all set up. Let me get the dangerous scissors away.
Oh, man. Yeah, what is that?
Bacon. Original with bacon. Made with real bacon.
Oh, keep him away from Jim.
Oh,
he wants one.
Paw. He wants one, Angela. He wants it. Oh, this is special from Angela and Onyx because they want you to be
Oh, it
better.
smells
Because
good.
Ooh, I smell the bacon.
Keep it away from Jim.
Look, drool cam.
Yeah.
Right paw, left paw. Okay, let's give it to you in pieces.
Make a little BLT.
Ooh, sounds good.
Oh, he loves them. Oh,
Hudson
Angela.
says, yeah, BLT minus the lettuce, though.
Yeah.
I'll probably eat the
In
tomato.
the tomato, maybe. Oh, man.
One more?
One more.
One more.
Oh,
Extra good.
Angela, he loves it.
So this is amazing, but
Oh.
most importantly, it's time to go down the hall.
See if the
with
coast
the
is
toy.
clear.
Oh, right. Yeah, look at he's after the bag. Okay, Hudson, you gotta come down. We're gonna make sure the coast is clear. Here's the chair.
Hutch, come on down. Hutch. Hutch.
Come on.
Where is it? The Hutster.
Look at that.
Oh, he loves it, Angela.
Angela,
Fantastic
Onyx,
job.
He loves it.
Angela and
Great
Onyx.
choice.
Know what Hudson likes. Oh, one more. Here, I'll do it. I gotta do it.
I got it. I guess he's better.
He's feeling a little better.
He's right.
Wait.
Let's squeak each individual one. Look, they have different,
Timbers.
yeah.
Throw.
It's flat, so it doesn't throw like real far. Oh my God, did you see that? Did you see him throw it up in the air? Oh my God, one more time, one more time.
Oh,
he
Angela,
loves it,
Onyx,
Angela.
fantastic
Look at
job.
him scamper, look at him scamper. Oh. So thank you so much, Angela. Thanks, Onyx, for the lovely treats.
Fantastic
Toy,
stuff.
collapsible bowl, extra, extra good.